what is true?
Oh, they're eating this morning. There's a iguana.
Caracol. That one, the navy blue is the male, and the female is brown and ugly.
They just been fed.
Is this food for the cats?
Yes, they love it. The iguanas also love it.
Apparently.
Cats need to eat, don't they?
We can see the big iguana, the black one. In Mexico, you're gonna find three kinds of iguana. The black one is that one, the orange one, and the green one. Okay, the orange and the green one can get the size like me. Okay, they are really how to the tail. This one is a little bit smaller than the green, than the orange iguana, but this one is a little bit chubby than another one. Okay, this one is a male. What is the difference between males and females? The size. The females in this kind of iguanas are small. Okay, that one are chubby and get a big head like the Komodo dragon. Okay, what is the reason? Because they fight with the
There's another one coming.
with the mouth. Okay, when they are hungry, they take a deep breath and looks bigger, or except to move the head. And that means you wanna fight, you wanna fight. They try to show you the muscle and the neck. Okay?
Oh, that's the blue.
That one is the Yucatan.
That's the J. That's the one. That's the one that came on our patio yesterday morning.
That one is
Several
the
of them.
Yucatan jay. Okay?
Beautiful.
The Yucatan jay you're gonna find in three different colors. All the time they keep the beautiful blue color at the wings and on the tail. But the head, the neck, and the cheek and the belly, when this part is white, that means it's a baby. Okay?
Oh.
When they have the black body, but the beak is yellow and they have a one yellow ring around to the arm, that means it's a teenager. When they have all the body like that one, just the feet are yellow, that means it's out. Okay? The dog right here.
Now would the iguana and the raccoon, what is it called? Would they fight?
Sometimes, yes, because the raccoons when they find a one old iguana, they try to kill it to eat it.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh,
If you
so
see the
they-
tail, you see the tail? On the tail have something like
it
a
looks like
rings or
yeah.
like a circle. Yes, that
Yeah, I see
rings.
it as a little scar.
Yes, they can leave the tail to survive when they
Ah,
have
yeah.
attack. And
Looks
the
like
tail-
there's another lizard over there.
Yes, right, that one is smaller. That one is a young. That one is a big boy and that one is the...
And
they're
here's
feeding
our
you.
babies.
They feed them.
Oh yeah, breakfast time.
This one's staring really right at us.
Oh my
Where's
God.
the lizard? Oh, the
They,
iguana. Iguana.
looks like a statue.
Okay, I don't want to step on a lizard.
Don't like it?
You gotta watch because things just run out in front of you when you walk. Baby deer. Got some babies too. They fed them.
Yeah, the little
Yes, the baby.
What time is the feeding?
Around 9 to 11.
Oh, okay.
We don't have the exactly hour to feed. Okay, follow me this way. We're gonna walk by the station.
Beautiful.
Watch the timing on that.
Yeah, that's right.
That one is the Muscovy dog.
Yeah, must
And the
go.
royal dog. Because they have all that points and look like a crown. And when they make a crack, they get the high dress like me, you know? And that
Oh,
looks
because
like
he
a
looks like he's
crown.
wearing a headdress. That's so funny. Oh, he's
That's the
coming
male
right
or
at
the
you.
female?
That one is the male. The male is bigger than the female.
Oh, okay.
What about the white one over here?
That one is a male lady with big. The
Why
females
is
are...
Small.
Sorry?
Why doesn't he have any? He's all white. Are they the same species?
It's like you and me. We are humans, but you are white and then browns. It's the same.
Oh.
They come in all colors.
Yes.
Bye.
Follow me this way. gonna see the bees. Okay?
That's the one you took the,
Yeah.
you already done a picture of that.
Don't be scared. Okay?
I'm not getting in
These
there.
bees
I'll go here.
doesn't have a stink.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
Don't worry.
Oh, they
They
don't.
don't look like they're out of
These bees don't make a nest. Okay? They make a nest inside to the trunks. This one is the entrance. Okay? The bee is really, really tiny.
I see. Oh, yeah.
You picking it
There
up?
is.
Yes.
Instead of don't bite.
No, they don't bite.
Do
But
they still make honey?
yes, they make honey.
Ah,
But
okay.
for to get only 1 liter of this honey, take like 2 years or 18 months.
Oh, my.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is the reason this kind of honey it's really, really expensive.
Oh, wow.
Because
Yeah.
the people use this honey not to eat, to make a medicine. Okay. To for the flu, for a cough, something like that. Okay. They attack. How they attack? They don't have a sting. No, don't worry. How they attack? They don't have a sting. So they have the legs, something like a resin or like a glue in this area to get all the pollen from the flower.
Right.
But also they use this resin or this glue on the legs to stick in the hair. Okay.
Oh, okay.
When they stick in the hair, they try to shake the body
Oh.
and make a vibration. Okay.
Oh.
With that way, they can all the bees, and they're gonna do the same. When you get a lot of them, they're gonna shake the body, and they make a one psychological attack.
Oh.
With a lot of bees in your head,
Onto the
you're
nervous
gonna
system.
feel something like if maybe they bite. But it's all in your mind. If you keep the calm, you can take it off one by one. When you catch one, you wanna feel in your fingers how they make a vibration. That way they can keep the nest, okay? And that way they don't die. Okay?